Okay, let's keep going. So the beginning of the conversation, what do you do to somebody? You guys want to do an opening of a conversation? What do you say to somebody when they start a Zoom call with you? How do you start it off? Does anybody here do like high ticket sales? Maybe? You guys are fucking, I'm not role playing with this guy. You already looks that be enough.
Us too.
You too?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to like role play the first 5 seconds of a conversation? What is it you sell? Coaching?
Various things, so I'll stick matchmaking.
Matchmaking. Love matchmaker. Okay, cool.
That's one of the products.
Okay, so I'm Daniel G. Okay?
Hi, Daniel.
I don't want to fall in love right now, but
Then you're talking to the wrong service.
oh.
Bye.
But now I
You're
want
not
to fall in love.
you're not
I want to
qualified.
find the woman of my dreams right now, right? And I just swiped up on your page, and now we're on a phone call. And it's just a 5-second phone call, just 5-second introduction with me, right? I'm just fucking lost in life. Every girl's broken up with me. I'm crazy. Nobody wants to date me. The real Daniel G. And now you're talking to me, and it's a Zoom call.
Okay.
Hey, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Fuck, I just can't wait to find the love of my life.
That's amazing. What motivated you to give me a call?
Well, you know, I don't know. Like, I'm just fucked up. Everybody just leaves me inside of life.
Why do you think that is?
Okay, wait. Do you start it like that though, or do you kind of?
I do.
Just right away. What motivated you?
What motivated? What's the reason? Why are you calling me?
Okay.
I'm
cool.
selective, so if you're the wrong person, I'm not wasting my time.
So boom, right in 2.5 seconds, you're out.
100%.
Okay. First of all, give her a round of applause.
Yeah. Charm's fucking good, dude.
I want to go right now because I love sales.
I can tell.
I love sales.
But guess what just happened? You don't even know it, and you'll never know it, and you'll never change. And guess what? It works for her because she loves sales and she's great at it. But what do you think happened now as a buyer? Guys, be open and honest. This is for open and honesty. What do you think happened right now?
Close down.
Uh-huh. Keep going. Don't lie. Let's be open.
You didn't want to get vulnerable?
Was it whoa? A bit maybe? Now, on the opposite, I'm gonna play devil's advocate. It does work to her. She wouldn't do it because she's not dumb. It does work. But because it worked doesn't mean we can't get better. I do this because I'm like, hey, sometimes there's another seed to plant to make you think a little bit differently, right? Now, her thing was like, hey, if I ask them that question, they're giving me their pains and their problems up front. Some people, you may get me though, because I'm a good talker. You may get me and you know you can feel me out. I know, I'm a talker.
I'm raising my level to you because you're a no bullshit dude.
No, I know. Right away, she already got me talking about my fucking trauma, how exes leave me. You're good. No,
But you
it's okay.
said it.
Yeah, no, of course. I came in and you're like, this guy's gonna fucking talk.
conversation because I don't do cookie cutter shit.
No, I know. I know you got somebody that's on there that's just like, listen, this is all my problems inside of life. I sleep on a couch inside of my office, nobody wants to date me. And you know what? She will probably fucking close me, baby, right? Because I'm gonna start talking, and she knows.
But back in the day, because I started matchmaking in '92, the no, I don't have money, they would call their company, can you call the bank and raise your limit? Because I grew up in hardcore sales.
Yeah, no, I can tell right away. So,
Someone else?
no, I think it's great. Let's keep going with it, by the way. This is great. By the way, a lot of people open it up different. Some people open up like this. Hey, by the way, where are you from? Nice. Hey, you guys maybe lay out an agenda of the call. You guys ever do that? Lay out an agenda of the call. Hey, this is what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna have some discussion. And watch though, I'm gonna keep going with this. Because what was my job? Just drop shoulders, right? Client comes in, I don't wanna buy shit. I just wanna see her fucking service. Maybe she's gonna show me a few chicks that I can date. Right? You get a couple girls. I buy shit from her. Give me a couple strategies. That's my thing. I'm always trying to seek and hunt. And as you become a salesperson, you're trying to grab and take from people. You become the prospect that you never wanted inside your business. It's weird.
Yeah.
Can I just share the reason when I said what motivated you to call me is I'm a professional matchmaker, not a cookie cutting matchmaker, but it's also giving me marketing information. What was it about my brand that you liked, right? So I didn't think that was very personal.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. No, I think it was good.
Okay.
I think it was great.
But I kind of felt that you thought that was too personal.
Hey, listen, my life is not this or that. It's a fucking chameleon. I got 20 things. I think people, when they're like, oh, this is one way and this is the other way, I want to have 20 different ways to close one person. I want 20 different ways to open up a conversation. And when you can feel something, because you've been doing this for 25 years, you're allowed because you're encompassed into the, like, you don't need a script.
I want you to stump me. I want to be challenged.
But I'm gonna keep going.
Okay.
Watch. What do people want to do? Get everything, buy nothing. That's a job. And what do I want to do? I said high school control, make the client feel like they're in control, drop the shoulders right off the bat. So I just want people to know in the beginning stage of conversation why. You know what? I may have filled out our application, 10 questions. There might be even a price involved. I don't know. Listen, we can go back and forth for hours, okay? I love you because you're in sales, so you and I can go back and forth and talk about ideas. I don't know what she has, maybe a homework application, etc. And maybe on that form it said, are you able and willing to invest $2,000 to $5,000 in yourself? I don't know, maybe it does. Are you able and willing to buy a program that says $1,000? Maybe it does. You're about to say yes, it does, right? Right?
Yeah, if you go to carmeliaray.com, there's a pre-qualifier in one's financial.
So watch. What do I know? I just booked the call. What am I doing? I'm about to get sold some shit. Okay. People are people. Guys, this is not, when I say sales has changed, they think I'm saying sales has changed from 1980s. No. Sales has changed from 2021 to 2024. I could talk about it. Why? This is all I do is high ticket selling and trade in sales. There was no funnels 8 years ago. Do you know how many people book calls and see a form and like they're just programmed to buy shit online now? So get what? The more you buy, the more you get defensive. Because now you know how you're being sold. Even the buyers change. The way you talk to a buyer, you constantly gotta adapt and shift on your brand and inside of sales, I think. Personally to me. I do really well because I'm so fucking into conversations. I'm so in with my community. There's a reason why I do a live stream every single day. And why nobody will touch my brand. Nobody cares about their community more than myself. Nobody. You won't find a fucking individual that cares about the sales community more than myself. Why? I listen to every single word. I see how they respond in the DM, what they're talking about. Fuck, I sold tickets to this event. The guy's like, did you really DM me? I said, yes, I'm inside of it. I want to see humans, how they're responding. I don't want to train off shit that used to work 5 years ago. I want to see how people open up a conversation now to how they opened up a conversation 3 years ago. I want to read the guy. I want to listen to the calls and see what they're saying. And feel the energy, right? So this is what I would say on an opening call. I just want to drop shoulders. So I can say, hey, by the way, thank you for taking the call, etc. If it's somebody that's motivated, like she knows I'm motivated to find the best person inside of my life, and I talk a lot. Hey, by the way, what motivated you to book the call? What did you like about the brand? That enticed you? Just kind of want to better understand. I like some feedback, and boom, she can get me inside a conversation, right? Or you could just say, hey, by the way, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day for meeting with me for 5 minutes. Listen, all I want to do on this call right now, right? Maybe if we get on second or third one, all I want to do on this call right now is I just need to better understand, who you are. I want to know the dynamics of what's happening inside of life. And if I feel like I can better support you, I'll definitely show you what people did in your exact same position. That way, stop, pause, listen. That way, whenever you're ready to transition inside of your life or start some new things or add a new system, you have us in the back of your pocket for the future whenever you are ready for a transition, whether that's in the next 6 months to a year or 2 years down the road. You guys see what I'm doing right now or no? Yeah. What am I doing? Come in here, talk to me, but I'm gonna give you the exit. And the reason why I'm giving you the exit is why? Your shoulders drop now. You wanna know what other people do? And it's okay, guys, remember when I said sales has changed? And some of my friends that are in sales are like, no, but don't do that. I said, guys, I know you used to say this. Hey, by the way, towards the end of the call, just give me a yes or no decision. Oh. Fuck. Okay. Now you just made the person claustrophobic up the first 5 seconds. What's your job? Drop. Your job is to go, so just fucking drop them, because I just need you to talk. But she did. She got me talking, she won. I didn't give a fuck what you were about to ask me anymore, you won. You got me talking, you win. That's it, done. People can't get people to talk. So I say just learn how to drop their shoulders. That way, whenever you're ready to transition over the next 6 to 12 months, you have this in the back of your pocket for the future. Sounds fair? Yes. That's it. Simple. Now they're like, what? I'm gonna tell this guy everything, I'm gonna get everything, I'm gonna buy fuck all. Give it to them. That's what they need to feel. They need to talk to you. They need to open up, right? And then you get your pains and problems, and that's it. Same way, guys, by the way, that whole thing, does everybody, like, maybe even never show up to a call? Do you ever get ghosted? Same shit if nobody shows up to the call. You can be great at sales, but if you book 10 calls and only 3 people show up, well, we got a problem here. Well, what do you gotta do to get people to show up? Give them the exit. So, somebody books a call, guys, business owners here. I'm going into this because I know this is gonna be valuable for some people. And if you have a sales team or you're a salesperson yourself, if somebody books a call, your job is not done. It's not automation, it's you as a human being. This is what I'm going to do. Hey, Melissa, because a fucking robot cannot do this yet. And trust me, I love automation. It's all inside my business. I use that, I use ManyChat, everything. But a salesperson and automation has not gone here yet, so I'm gonna still be the human. If it does, we're gonna use it, of course, inside the business. Hey Melissa, it's Dan. Can't wait to meet with you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. I was looking through some of your profile. I want to show you about some of the research and homework that I did on your profile with a few individuals inside of our program that are Mother Threes like yourself that struggled with XYZ. I can't wait to show you and talk to you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Just kind of better understand who you are. Watch. That way you can know everything that we got going on inside of our program, and whenever you're ready, to make a transition or whenever you're ready to do something new, you know exactly what we're doing inside of our program. Or you know exactly how we're helping individuals like yourself. Can't wait to meet with you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Love you. Ciao. Have a good day. What did I say? Hey, come in. We're gonna talk, and you're gonna fucking leave and steal from me. Sexy language. That's all the prospect wants to do. And by the way, that's said a million different times to get people to show up, to exit, and if people also ghost you on calls, the same shit. The moment somebody knows you need them, they don't need you anymore. That's it. Same. Do you guys ever get people after you presented, then they ghost you and you gotta do collections? And you're trying to close a person and then they ghost you after the presentation? Does that ever happen? They don't buy from you or no? Well, if that doesn't happen, we have a problem.
I have a problem with people taking like a long period of time.
Of time to make a decision?
Yeah.
They have to talk to their husband.
Yeah, I have 2 more seconds. Okay, you can speak faster. Dude, what the fuck, I'm gonna overheat. I'm gonna blow up. My head's gonna blow up. Don't test me though. Oh man, oh fuck, I don't wanna answer it. I want to, but I don't. Listen, I just think whenever you get towards the end of a business, it's what we failed to do in the beginning of the business. So if people are taking a lot of time, don't ask yourself, how can I heal that? Because it's Band-Aid. Ask yourself, what am I doing in the conversation that's letting them get off a phone call? Right? Because they're taking a lot of time because they still don't see a problem solved, right? Inside of life, right? So if they ever ghost you, I think the exact same way, if anybody ever ghosts you inside the conversation, don't ever make them feel like you need them. So when you got your follow-ups, when people owe you money, the same shit. Don't say, hey, by the way, Gerald or Linda, I know you things have been hectic at work with you. Hopefully you're not ghosting me, or like hoping you're still interested. Don't cut that out. That whole thing, why? Yeah, and it's all, and we do it. We're victims of it. Just cut it out. Why? Because now I know you need me. That's it. So just voice note them. Last thing, you voice note them and say, Linda, how you doing? Completely my fault. I've been fucking back to back because we just opened up a new program. I don't know how you and I have not partnered up some way, somehow over the last couple of weeks. We were going through all the people that partnered up with us, and we're creating relationships with them that are a new container of our program. I noticed you haven't been inside, or we haven't, be able to onboard. I don't know how the fuck this slipped through the cracks. Right? If you're still, able and willing to do X, Y, Z inside of your business, insert the benefit of why they got on a phone call in the first place with you. If you're still able and willing to do something like that, to do X, Y, Z over the next couple years, I can't wait to lock arms with you. If not, completely fine. Let me know by the end of today at 10 p.m. Eastern so I can close the file, and we can touch base over the next 6 months to a year. Love you, Melissa. Let me know by 10 p.m. Eastern.